look? I got a new haircut. I also have my own natural hair color and my own natural face hair. I know I look like a sunburst on some videos, and I look like, I don't know, I look like a whole bunch of different things with freckles at all times. Anyways, I love the way I look. I want you to like the way you look too, because it's who you are. Okay, how do I know when my hair is breaking as opposed to shedding? I'm a 4A, I wear twist outs and wash and goes. Should I trim my hair every 6 weeks or less to promote growth? Great question. It's good that you do both wash and go and twist outs. You're 4A, so you should, as long as you are blowing conditioners and oils into the hair before you do your twist outs, you will prevent shedding. As long as you're doing wash and go styling every day, you are preventing shedding. Those are the two things that will, whether you wear your hair in a protective style or a wash and go style, that will prevent your hair from shedding. Then that's how you'll know, hands down, that you're doing the right thing. Trimming your hair every 6 weeks will not promote growth because your hair doesn't grow that fast to cut it every 6 weeks if the goal is to grow your hair longer, quicker. On an average, everybody's hair grows at, I don't know what video, but on an average, I've said this before, everybody's hair grows at the same rate regardless of ethnicity and texture, which is 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 inch a month. And so if 3 months have gone by, you've got 1.5 inches, 1.25 inches. Does that make sense? Yeah, do the math. So 6 weeks, Jesse, how many weeks is 6 weeks versus 12 weeks? Don't take off more than you need to, is the point. You're trying to retain growth, and through keeping your hair moisturized by doing proper protective styles, twist outs, and wash and go styling, your soft hair won't need that much cutting at the 3-month mark. So you can retain more growth, and your trims outweigh how much your hair growth is. Does that make sense? So your rate of growth outweighs how much you're trimming, which is you're just dusting the end. So you are surpassing your growth expectations because you're not trimming your hair more than you need to. Okay, I hope that helps.